To add a chatbot to your Shopify store in 2024, follow these 15 steps in a step-by-step ultimate guide for beginners. Research and choose a chatbot app. Look for popular and reliable chatbot apps on the Shopify App Store that cater to your specific needs. Consider factors like features, pricing, and user reviews. Create a Shopify account. If you haven't already, create a Shopify account to access your store's admin panel. Access the Shopify App Store. From your Shopify admin, go to Apps and click on Shopify App Store. Install the chosen chatbot app. Search for your preferred chatbot app using the search bar or browse through the marketing and sales category, click Add App, then follow the installation prompts. Configure the chatbot settings. After installation, navigate to the app's settings within your Shopify admin. Follow the setup wizard or instructions provided by the app to configure your chatbot according to your needs. Connect the chatbot to your store. Ensure the chatbot is integrated with your store by verifying that it can access essential features like product listings, customer data, and order management. Design chatbot interface. Customize the chatbot's appearance and user interface to match your store's branding. This includes setting up welcome messages, buttons, and templates for various interactions. Set up automation rules. Create rules for the chatbot to automatically respond to common customer queries, provide product recommendations, and guide customers through the purchasing process. Create chatbot flows. Design specific chatbot flows for different scenarios, such as greeting new visitors, assisting with product selection, and handling customer support inquiries. Train the chatbot. Teach the chatbot to understand and respond appropriately to customer queries by providing relevant keywords, phrases, and pre-written responses. Test the chatbot. Interact with the chatbot to ensure it functions correctly and provides accurate information. Make any necessary adjustments to improve its performance. Enable the chatbot on your store. Activate the chatbot on your Shopify store by following the app's instructions, which may involve adding a script to your store's theme or adjusting settings. Promote the chatbot. Encourage customers to interact with the chatbot by adding a chat widget or button to your store's homepage, product pages, or other relevant locations. Monitor and analyze chatbot performance. Regularly review the chatbot's performance using the app's analytics tools to identify areas for improvement and optimize its functionality. Continuously update and improve the chatbot. Keep your chatbot up to date with the latest features and improvements provided by the app developer. Regularly review and update its content, rules, and responses to ensure it remains helpful and engaging for your customers.